Ito ang World Health Organization, ang agency ng United Nations na concerned sa world public health. At sa panahon ng public health crisis tulad ng highly infectious COVID-19, aktibo ang WHO sa pagresponde sa ganitong klaseng sitwasyon, mula sa Geneva na kanilang headquarters hanggang sa ibang panig ng mundo. Araw-araw nagsasagawa ng media briefing ang WHO para sa mga journalists mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Hindi ko na kailangan pumunta pa sa Geneva, Switzerland. Ngayon ay a-attend tayo ng isang virtual press conference ng WHO kasama ang 150 journalists from around the world. Present si Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, si Dr. Sylvie Bryan na Director ng Global Infections at si Dr. Michael Ryan na Director ng Health Emergencies Program. Kampante ang WHO na maraming taong infected ng COVID-19 ang maliligtas sa sakit kahit wala pang vaccine.
We can save many lives in the coming months with or without a vaccine. We all want to invest in the vaccine as a long-term solution, but there are people sick now and there are health systems that are vulnerable now.
Para kay WHO Director General, hindi lang dapat sa vaccine mag-focus sa ngayon. Dapat din daw improve ng mga bansa ang kanilang health systems para future ready tayo.
In order to avert any serious problem in the rest of the world and use the window of opportunity to the maximum, it's the simple public health solutions that we should do that should really be our focus, while of course preparing for the vaccines.
Natanong din ng WHO tungkol sa pagkalat ng COVID-19 sa MV Diamond Princess na ngayon ay naka-quarantine sa Yokohama, Japan.
The authorities in Japan obviously initially made a decision to quarantine all their passengers on that ship, which allowed passengers to be kept together in an environment where they were could be observed and where they could have separate accommodations and everything else. This was much more preferable, obviously, at the time than necessarily having everyone disperse around the world.
Imbes na makontain ang virus sa ship, ay tila nagkahawahan pa ang mga tao doon.
But obviously the situation on the ground has changed and clearly there's been more transmission than expected on the ship, and I think the authorities in Japan are adjusting to that reality now and taking the necessary public health measures with other countries to evacuate people and deal with their follow-up in a different way.
Mahigit 540 na ang infected on board Diamond Princess. 41 dito ay mga Pilipino na karamihan ay crew ng ship.
Yesterday, what was agreed upon would be the repatriation of our Filipinos, the process by which we are going to undertake when we repatriate them.
Inutos na ni DFA Secretary Teddy Boy Locsin sa Philippine Embassy in Japan na asikasuhin ang repatriation ng at least 500 Filipino crew members ng barko. Mas magiging komplikado daw ang repatriation na ito dahil mas marami ang involved, kaya pinag-aaralan ng task force kung paano ang gagawin. Ayon sa ilang Pinoy onboard Diamond Princess na nakausap ko, ay hati sila kung uuwi pa sila dito sa Pilipinas. Pero ang sigurado na ay ang kanilang 2 months salary habang may ganitong sitwasyon. I'm Anthony Esguera and I stand for truth.